My name is Dr. Shahid. I'm your Los Angeles chiropractor. I have 10 plus years experience in treating neuromusculoskeletal conditions. I'm also a Ringdinger provider out here in Los Angeles, California. The Ringdinger technique is a revolutionary technique to fully decompress your spine manually within one movement. It is a beneficial technique for those who suffer from chronic low back pain, neck pain, sciatica, discopathies and disc herniations, scoliosis, and a lot of other spinal dysfunctions. If you have any questions, reach us on our website, www.ringdingerlosangeles.com or www.witnesschiropractic.com, or you're also welcome to reach us by phone at 310-367-8407. I hope to see you soon.